In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the phone number requirement from a Shopify contact form. If you've ever run into a situation where you feel like asking for too much information might deter potential customers, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started by simplifying that contact form. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the search bar, which is an incredibly handy tool whenever you're trying to find a specific app or feature. Type in the word Forms, and you should see it pop up as an option. Clicking on it will open the Forms app right in your Shopify admin dashboard, allowing you to access and manage your various contact forms. Once the Forms app is open, you'll need to identify the specific contact form that you want to modify. This could be any form you've set up, perhaps the one your customers use to reach out with their questions or feedback. Select that contact form by clicking on it, which will bring you to more detailed options specific to that form. Next, you'll be looking for the section labeled Fields. This area is crucial as it is where all the different pieces of information you're gathering from users are listed. Scroll through the list until you find the phone field. You might notice an icon that looks quite similar to a trash bin or a minus sign next to it. This is the remove icon. Go ahead and click on that icon next to the phone field. Doing this will effectively remove the phone number as a required field on your contact form. Now, it's very important after making such changes that you save your work. Look for the Save button, which is generally located either at the top or bottom of the page. Click on it to ensure that all your customizations are preserved. Trust me, there's nothing more frustrating than making adjustments only to realize they didn't stick because you forgot to save. And just like that, you're all done. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the phone number field from your contact form, simplifying the process for your customers and possibly making them more willing to fill out the form. This little tweak can make a big difference by streamlining how customers interact with your Shopify site. Remember, the easier you make it for them to reach you, the more likely they are to engage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more Shopify tips and tricks to make your e-commerce site as effective as possible.